Hello kids, how are you? I hope everything is alright. Today, we are going to play with shapes again, and for that, we will need some special materials, which are scissors, glue, and some colored paper. Remember that if you don't have colored paper at home, it's okay. You can use a white one and color it with markers, pencils, or crayons. I've cut some shapes myself. Let's remember their names together. Square, square, rectangle, rectangle, circle, circle, and triangle, triangle. Don't worry about their sizes, you will soon understand it. Now, we will start to build our own house. We start with the body, with the square, and then the triangle as a roof, and then the small rectangle as a door, and then a small square is a window. But it's up to you. If you want to have a window shaped like a circle, you can have it. Or if you want your house to be like a rectangle, you can do it. Don't worry. You can have something like this. You are free to build the house as you want. Be creative. Remember to send me a picture of the final version of the house you created. Have a nice weekend, guys!